guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. I'm in Fox's bedroom. Just the reason is because it is 8 o'clock in the morning. Ben hasn't gone to work yet, so he's got the kids downstairs, and I was going to film in my bedroom, but there was a lot of traffic going past for some reason. I assume there is a diversion somewhere, so everyone is coming through our village and it's really loud, so I thought we'd come to the back of the house and film. So today we've got Degustabox. Degustabox, if you don't know, is a monthly food snack subscription box. I think it's about $12.99 a month. You can get it slightly cheaper if you like do a 6-month or a 12-month contract, but it's not a lot cheaper. I do have a discount code. If you sign up, you will get a discount code, and then you can give that to everyone. I pay for this myself. This is not PR. Yeah, everyone that signs up gets a code that you can then give to other people, and when 2 people use your code, you get a free box. So 2 of you lovely people have used my code, so this is a free box. But that's nothing to do with YouTube. If regardless, like your nan can buy one, and then she can give the code to your mum and her sister, and then she'll get a free box. It's nothing to do with YouTube. This is not PR. So let's get in. Every month they have a theme, which aren't always very cohesive. This one does not want to be opened for some reason. Why won't you let me get in? They do a lot of gluten-free stuff, a lot of vegan stuff. Some things you might think, wow, that's expensive. They will always put the highest price that they know where it's for sale. So if in Waitrose something is £4, they're going to say it's £4, regardless of the fact that if you can get the same thing in the pound shop for £1, they will say it's £4, because then that makes the box look more expensive, if that makes sense. But let's have a look. It comes via courier. You get a text to say what day it's coming and your hour time slot. It comes like this. Mine came yesterday. I just didn't have a chance to undo it. And it looks like that. So the theme this month is March Hello Spring. So that is the theme for today. Let me just, I'm sitting on the floor and it hurts my back. Let me get a little bit more comfy, that's better. So the first thing I've got is a mugshot, a mighty mugshot, noodles with chicken and mushroom. I love these, I'm very excited for that. There's 440 calories, that's a lot for something that you know for a fact you're going to eat and that's not going to fill you up. But they are really yummy. These are, I buy these when they're on offer for Ben. He likes to have them at work. £1.49. Take a moment at lunch with this hot and tasty mighty mugshot, chicken and mushroom. Pour over boiling water, blah blah blah. We all know how to make noodles in a pot. So it's basically a pot, oh hiccups, a pot noodle, but a different brand. Next we've got Hippies. Oh, salt and vinegar, yes, I love these. And they're chickpea puffs. They're really good. I've had them before in various boxes. 99p, it's very expensive. 91 calories, gluten-free, vegan, and less than 91 calories. They're light and crunchy and puffy. They're really good. I have just brushed my teeth, otherwise I would show you now what they're like. But I will have these today because I absolutely love them. They do cheese ones as well, which are really good. What other flavours? Sweet chilli, I think. I've not had salt and vinegar, I don't think, before. So, and I love salt and vinegar stuff, so I'm very excited to try those. Next, oh, the kids will like this. This is Chock-Filled Brioches. So we buy chocolate chip brioches a lot for the kids as a snack. These are £1.40. Pitch Blocco Choc is a sweet soft brioche roll with a delicious solid chocolate bar inside. Well, that sounds good. This item has a short expiry date. They do always tell you if something has a, yeah, the 25th of March. So we're still only like the 17th today. So you've got a week and there's only 4 in there. So that's fine. We're good so far. Flapjack. Bring more flapjack, caramel fudge. All these look good. The kids will like these. These are 183 calories a bar. I'm doing calorie counting if you're like, why is she talking about calories? That's why. You should receive 1 of 3. So there's either apple and raspberry, chocolate or caramel fudge. So I think we got the best one. Oh no, it's chocolate and ginger, so we definitely got the best one. Lovingly baked in Wales, Bryn Mawr flapjacks are made using only high quality ingredients, now in a convenient 40-gram serving, perfect for that well-deserved treat time. They're £2 though, which is a lot. 4 bars in there. Next, ooh no, Maynard's Bassett fruit smoothie jellies. These don't appeal to me in the slightest. Banana and strawberry, pomegranate and berry, pineapple and lemon, and mango and passion fruit. £1.32. Each sweet contains a combination, which I've just read. They contain natural colours and flavours made with real fruit puree and a source of vitamin C and E. That doesn't appeal to me in the slightest, but Ben will take those to work and I'm sure they will get demolished by everyone at his work. Next, I've got, ooh, crunchy nut peanut butter. This says £2.50, that's expensive. This isn't even a big jar, this is 340 grams, it's not even one of the really big ones. Go nuts for Kellogg's Crunchy Nut Peanut Butter, a delicious jar of ultra, oh it's all smooth. I really like crunchy, oh no it says crunchy. A delicious jar of ultra smooth peanut butter, oh packed with crunchy nut, honey nut roasted peanuts. Oh that sounds really good. Too good to resist, enjoy on toast or bagels or straight from the jar. That sounds really, really yummy. Let's have a look, I don't want to eat any now. I'm just going to see if you can see any of the nuts or anything in it, but I don't think you can. And I can't even open it. I was really anxious this morning and I bit off all my nails. And they're like so short now, they're painful. No, you can't see. Oh, it smells good. Oh, it smells like it's got a bit of like, you know, it's going to be like a salty peanut butter. So it's not too sweet. That sounds amazing. Very excited for that. Next, I've got a protein bar. Dark chocolate coated, low sugar, gluten-free palm oil. 20 grams of protein. You should receive one of 2 items. So we've got the dark chocolate one. The other one I think looks like it might be raspberry because it's pink. £2.50. Wow. Innovit is a great tasting bar using unique technology to give it its distinct style and maximise the tasting experience. 20 grams of protein, low sugar, made in Italy, gluten-free, no palm oil, suitable for celiac, fitting the main free from trends. They're saying free from trends like it's a trend, and like I don't think celiacs would say that they're a trend. I think that's a disease. Is it not? I think there's a trend. I think that's been worded badly. Next, I've got Filippo Berrio balsamic vinegar, a little tiny bottle. It's really cute. Really cute little bottle. £1.29. So you should receive 2 items. Oh, yeah, there's the other one. I'm hoping these aren't £1.29 each because that's ridiculous if that's the case. So we've got an extra virgin olive oil and then the balsamic as well. Filippo Berrio has been the UK's favourite olive oil for 40 years. Ideal for sauces, marinades, dripping, drizzling, and you can cook with it as well. The balsamic vinegar is made from specially selected Modena grapes. It's smooth and flavoursome with a classic light sweetness. So they're really nice. They're just teeny tiny bottles and I don't think that's £1.29 each. I assume it's not. I assume that would be for the big bottles. But I'll have a look, I'll Google it and then I'll put it on the screen. Next up, I've got an Esprala apple and red plum, a lightly sparkling fruit drink with guarana and green tea. I can't have that because guarana is caffeine, isn't it, I think. But Ben will have that. I think it's like an energy drink. £1.09 each or £12.57 for 12, and you get them on Amazon. Wonderfully refreshing and lightly sparkling vegan fruit drink, no added sugar and only 43 calories. To make things even more interesting, Esprala apple and red plum is a fantastic gin cocktail mixer. Sounds interesting, but not for me. Next, I've got a Lucozade, another one for Ben, Lucozade 0 Calorie Tropical. Introducing the latest flavour from Lucozade Zero. It's pineapple mango, 0 sugar, and the bottle is fully recyclable, which is nice. £1.49. We've got some Cheerios. I only just bought a ginormous box of Cheerios yesterday. These are organic ones. Oh, and they've got honey and chocolate. That does not appeal to me, but Ben will love that. He loves chocolate in his cereal. These are £3. See, that's ridiculous. That's, how big is that? How many grams are you? Why can't I see how big that is? Why can't I see how big you are? Good Lord, why can't I see how big this is? This is 11 servings, 330 grams. I just bought a box which was like 750 grams for £3, and that was proper Cheerios, just not the organic ones. Delicious product marks Cheerios UK's entrance to the organic market with certified organic cereal made from organic honey hoops with 5 organically farmed whole grains and chocolate cereal pieces. So I'm sure Ben and the kids will love that. Next, I've got a Mallow and Marsh vanilla coated chocolate bar, a chocolate coated vanilla marshmallow bar. I love these, they're so good. What does it say? 134 calories a bar, £1.35. They're so expensive. I only get these when they're on offer, but they're absolutely delicious. Experience fluffy marshmallow and velvety smooth Belgian chocolate with 134 calories. Our gorgeously light marshmallow bars are made from no artificial colours, flavouring or palm oil. Perfect for when you're on the go. We are marshmallow, but not as you know it. They're really yummy. And then the last thing in here looks lovely. It's orange Smarties. Oh, I love orange Smarties. They're the best ones, and don't argue with me. This is £1 for a block. Quite expensive. That's like 90 grams. It's not a very big chocolate bar. Calling all chocolate lovers, new Smarties sharing block is milk chocolate or orange, so I'm glad we got this one. It's a chocolate extravaganza. What's more, brand new packaging means that the wrapper can be recycled, which is amazing. Once you've enjoyed the Smarties block, just put it into your recycling bin and help your environment. You should receive one of 2 items. So yeah, that's really nice. The kids will love that, and as I said, I love orange Smarties. That was actually a really good box. I think the only thing that, if it is the right price, it's probably that, because that's very expensive. But everything else I think is really good, and will definitely get used. There's nothing here that that someone in the house won't eat, so I'm really happy with that. If you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. What did you think of the box? If you've got it, let me know. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.